If your transport manager is only a name on the operator licence, well, your business could have serious compliance problems. The role, well, it requires more than that. It requires effective and continuous management of the transport operation, not occasional involvement when something goes wrong. So what should an operator or director be looking for? Well, first of all, check whether the transport manager is genuinely involved in your day-to-day operation. They should have sufficient access to maintenance records, driver information, tachograph data, defect reports, and of course operator license records. They also need the authority to challenge problems and make sure corrective action is completed. If information is only sent to the transport manager occasionally, they cannot properly manage the operation. Second, look for evidence of their involvement. This could include reviewing driver's hours and working time records, checking maintenance inspection reports, monitoring driver defects, confirming that repairs have been completed, and keeping the maintenance planner up to date. They should also be involved in driver training and disciplinary processes where required. So simply having a transport manager named on documents, well, it's not enough. There should be a clear record showing what they checked, what they found, and what action was taken. Third, make sure the transport manager has enough time to do the job. Very important. The level of involvement needed will depend on the size and complexity of your operation. The number of vehicles, for example, number of trailers, drivers, and operating centres, all will affect the workload. And if the transport manager has other roles in the business, well, the operator should consider items such as, are they being given enough protected time for transport compliance? Again, very important. And finally, remember that the operator and directors still have responsibilities. Appointing a transport manager, well, it does not mean the directors can step away from compliance. Management should receive regular reports and understand whether vehicles are being maintained, driver's hours are being monitored, defects are being addressed, and operator license information is accurate. The practical action is really simple. Arrange a documented review with your transport manager, agree the responsibilities, the time available, and the information that they will receive, and how frequently they will report to management. So for related guidance, watch our video on what an operator compliance audit should cover. And if you're concerned that your transport manager needs additional structure or support, well, contact us. LDP Transport Consultancy. We provide practical transport manager support for HGV operators. Okay, guys, thank you. We'll see you down the road.